Hi, this is Nico from Roland, and many times when we do hybrid corporate events, we have to connect to virtual meeting softwares like Zoom, Skype, Teams, all those. And many times it's very challenging to have to deal with both audio worlds, the audio of the situation we have in the room and the audio that coming from the other side of the Zoom, Skype or Teams call. I'm going to show you today with the VR-4HD, but also you can do it with the VR-1HD, how to deal with the audio with the both worlds without having any problems. Let's have a look. First thing, we have to check that we have the correct settings in our software. I will use Zoom for the example. First, let's check that the video source is the VR-4HD for the example today. And secondly, we have to check the audio settings. As a microphone, I have to select the VR-4HD, but also as a speaker, as the output of the computer will be fed back into the VR-4HD. So now on the audio mixer, we will identify all the sources. Channels 1, 2, 3, and 4 are the audio coming from the XLRs in the left side. Also I have the audio coming from the HDMIs, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And also have some extra line inputs, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. All these audios can go to the main bus and they will go out through the speakers. And also we have an auxiliary bus that we can dedicate to use the USB 3.0. So in other words, we can create separated streams from the speakers in the room and the audio that we will send into the computer. This will solve all the audio inputs connected to the VR-4HD through the USB 3.0 towards the computer. I have a dedicated knob that says to PC that allows me to give more level or less level compared to the master fader if I need to raise or decrease the audio just for the USB 3.0, so just for the streaming. But also I have another knob here that says from PC. This knob will control the audio connected from the computer. So in other words, we will have in this knob the audio coming from the other side of the call, Zoom call, Skype call or Teams call. And this audio coming from the computer will be present on the speakers through the XLR outputs, but will never be present in the USB 3.0 coming back to the computer. This is very important so we don't create a closed loop. So the audio coming from the computer is never fed back to the computer. In this way, we separate the audio streams and we never find feedbacks. On top of these functions, we have two dedicated extra features that allows us to control the audio in hybrid events. We have the auto mixing function that will help us to have present on the speakers and on the streaming only the person that is speaking at every moment. And also we have an echo cancel function. This is very handy when we have microphones very close to the speaker and we find this echo effect that we can cancel by turning on this knob. And one by one we can apply a depth for the microphones to be applied this echo cancel. You have seen that having an all-in-one solution for hybrid events gives us a lot of tools and solutions for the problems we might face. If you have any questions, put it on the comments. We will check it and we will answer it as soon as we can. Thank you for watching.